Well, I'm pleased to be here today with Ben, having recently completed the project, the workshop project on the family estate in Ashley, right in the heart of rural Hampshire. I must say I feel quite honoured really to have been chosen for this project. Out of interest, Ben, what made you choose Ambassador with all the choice that you have on contractors?
We saw a very impressive ad from Ambassador.
Yeah.
And also then of course tapped up a few local contacts and you came highly recommended.
Trust is a big thing, isn't it, when it comes to choosing a contractor?
Trust is huge and confidence I think as well that you're going to pull this through.
In terms of the scope of the works, as I say, it's on the family estate here in Ashley. It was some existing sort of scrubland which we built on here, wasn't it?
It was.
There was an existing timber shed which was removed. We obviously had to bring up the services from a barn lower down the field. So we brought up the electric and the water services. And we cast a 150mm thick concrete slab with the drainage. Obviously we've got the timber frame construction with the larch cladding, and the particular feature that you wanted was the oak goalpost.
That's right. We wanted to look in keeping with the wider estate. So
Yeah.
It had to sit there and look like a natural timber frame building that was sit in keeping.
Yeah, exactly.
Which
So
we're delighted with the outcome.
good. So particularly with the close proximity of the flint cottage there, it's all got to blend in, isn't it? And then with obviously the hardwood doors, it gives quite a striking appearance, doesn't it?
It certainly does. It really does, and it's certainly a well-built unit that's not going anywhere in the near future, Glenn. And with all the natural products and the natural timbers, It sits here perfectly. I think the workmanship was excellent. I think the team you had out from the outset were awesome. They did a really good job. Communication was outstanding, which again is really helpful.
You mentioned issues. Maybe there's a few snags. Did those get closed out?
Snagging was outstanding. I mean, what we like is people who respond quickly and professionally to issues, and we couldn't have asked for more.
And did we meet your budget?
We went slightly over budget, which we were adamant we weren't going to do, Glenn, but on reflection, it was money well spent. It really was.
No, well, thanks for choosing Ambassador.
Thank you very much.
Good, thank you.